Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to record and listen to our phone calls on Nokia 3210 4G feature phone. We already published our full review, unboxing video and other useful tips. I'll share the link in the description for you. Now let's jump into the video. We have the option to record all our phone calls, but there is no auto recording feature on this phone. We have to manually start the recording and stop the recording for each phone call. Personally, that is fine for me. I don't need to record all the phone calls all the time. To do this, we have to call someone first. I'll call the Nokia customer care, which is available on this box. This one, first one. And now we have to click this hamburger kind of menu and select start recording. That's all. Now it is recording this phone call. Then the screen will show something like this, a circle which expands as we speak. If you want to stop the recording, then all we have to do is then go to the same menu and select stop recording. That's all. Then we will get this pop-up saying recording saved. We can listen to it in voice recorder. That's all. We can go there and listen to all our phone calls that we have recorded. To listen to our recorded phone calls, we just have to go to the extras app here and go to the recorder one. Select this. If you want to record anything directly using this phone, we can use this recorder option here. But if you just want to listen to our call recordings, then click this hamburger menu here. And here we can see all our call recordings. The only drawback I think is there is no way to filter normal voice recordings and call recordings here. We just have to scroll down and find the one we want. We can see the phone number here, time and call duration. We just have to select the clip and it will start playing.
If you are calling about warranty support for your feature phone, please contact the point of sale. For all other support, please stay on the line.
That's all.
Now it is recording this phone call.
This is something I recorded earlier. So this is how it works. But if you notice something, it is also recording the keypad taps on this audio as well. Here. Yeah, if I press any key, that is also getting recorded. So you have to be careful about that. We can also share this audio clip with anyone nearby using Bluetooth. We can also access the call recordings by going to the Files app and then Phone Memory, Audio. Here we can find the same list of audio files. We can open them to listen whenever we want. This call recording feature will definitely come handy when we want to remember something important during our phone calls. But do kindly learn about the telephone call recording laws in your country and proceed with this. We got this phone from the Amazon website. I'll share the product link in the description. You can check it out if you're interested. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section regarding this procedure. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.